Hello guys, did you know about the Astoria Boulevard subway station closing? Like, like, it closes. Like, can you please help me? Like, I live in Astoria Boulevard with my mom. Sometimes I visit to Parsons Boulevard to visit my grandmother, but my grandmother's here today, and my mom's at my own at my grandma's house because they didn't want to switch. And that's why, because my mom doesn't want to handle this, and I want to stay here. She doesn't want to handle it because did you know that the Story Boulevard NW station is closing? Yeah, you need to post right here down in the YouTube comments. Tell me what station I should use instead of the Astoria Boulevard, because that station's closing for 9 months. Thank you guys. Promise to put it in the YouTube comments. Come on, right down here. You can put right in the YouTube comments and tell me the station. Thank you. Bye.